What is blockchain? Blockchain is a type of distributed ledger, or decentralized database, that keeps records of digital transactions. Rather than having a central administrator, like traditional database, a distributed ledger has a network of replicated databases, synchronized via internet, and visible to everyone, within the network. How does a blockchain works? Let's analyze a sample scenario that can be implemented with blockchain. In this sample scenario, here Mr. Jack wants to execute a transaction with Mr. Steven. In the first step, Mr. Jack has to initiate a transaction, so as to seal a deal with Mr. Steven. Thereby a block is created to represent the same transaction with date, time, and transaction detail. In the next step, Mr. Jack's requested transaction block is broadcasted to peer-to-peer network, consisting of computers known as nodes. Then the network nodes validate the transaction of Mr. Jack and his status using known algorithms. The validated transaction of Mr. Jack will then be added as a new block to the existing blockchain, in a way that is permanent and unalterable. The new block with all the transaction details and the timestamp will be then made available for all the nodes. As soon as the transaction is validated, and the block is created. By now, the transaction is completed and the deal is executed. Hence the transaction with Mr. Jack and Mr. Stephen now stand fulfilled.